Hello, Jeff Grant with Red River In3 video number 1. This is my first In3 video, and I hope you like it. Please comment and share your feedback below. And I'm going to be trying to put out additional 3-minute videos that are great for education and also for the business side. So if you want to provide me some topics in the future, I'll try to incorporate in these 3 minutes video. So today's topic is going to be Hangouts Meets. And one of the things that's lacking is a virtual background or a blur functionality. So I'm going to try to show you how I solve that utilizing additional software. This additional software is great because it allows you to share anything behind you, not just basically blurring out your messy office, and I'll cover that in a future topic. So what we're trying to do is solve the background. So in Hangout Meet, you're not crazy like this. So you can see if you're in an office in an open space and there's a lot going on behind you, that's pretty distracting. So I want to kind of show you how I solve that. So how I do that is I utilize a tool called Manycam. And in Manycam, what we're going to do is just build like a presentation, but it's a bunch of graphics. Those graphics are like sources. So webcam, an application, an image, a color, and it's a way for you to kind of share. So you can see I'm sharing the Manycam app, and then what I'm going to do is just like in PowerPoint, I can add an image. It's like a layer. So by clicking on that, it says, hey, what do I want to select? And I can select my face cam camera, and you're going to see me. But I don't want to show you me with the messy background. So imagine this green screen is your messy background. I want to utilize the Manycam functionality, which is the Chroma key. You have to buy the Studio, which is the mid-level of it, to get the Chroma key enabled. But by doing that, I can select Chroma key, I can do auto color, and then what it does is it blurs everything in the background. Now let's say you don't have a green screen. Now, one of the things you can do is you can do a replace. So you can see it's working a little bit different. It just, whatever I have in the layer below that my camera is sitting on top of, it's going to kind of overlay that, but you get a little blur in that. Now, let's say you don't like that. One of the things you can do is just the blur functionality. You could see Chroma key comes out the best, and ultimately that's what we want to do. So now what we're going to do is this source could be then connected into Google. So if we go back into Google, instead of having this messy background that your webcam's picking up, you would select on those 3 little dots there. The 3 little dots is how you basically can select your webcam, and you would select from the webcam, which is the messy background, to basically Manycam virtual camera, which is now going to show you what you're sharing in Manycam. So you'll see basically that here instead. But hopefully that makes sense. It's pretty simple. You just need to go out and buy Manycam. I'm going to put the link down below, and then that solves a whole lot of problem. And in a future video, I'll show you how you can share an image like I did with my work graphic, and then also potentially a looping video, which is kind of what I'm showing you here in the background. Appreciate your time. If there's anything else in the future you want, again, put the feedback below.